Loxon self-cleaning was developed to help you keep your building looking fresh and new for a longer period of time. Here you are seeing some problems commonly found on building exteriors, and they often cause maintenance to be completed earlier than necessary. Dirt pickup and mildew are a couple of common examples. Take a look and see how Loxon self-cleaning works. Using a prepared board, we will illustrate Loxon self-cleaning's dirt shedding capabilities. The board was sprayed with a dirt and water solution and allowed to dry for 30 minutes. A light water mist was used to simulate rain and a light pressure wash. Notice the rinsing lifts and removes the water and dirt from the panel coated with Loxon self-cleaning, leaving no residue, which illustrates the dirt shedding technology. The same is done for both national competitors. As we review the panels for competitors A and B, you can see the light water mist does not completely clean the surface. You will notice streaking, and the final appearance still has a dirt residue. Allowing the board to completely dry, you can see Loxon self-cleaning clearly stands above the competition. The Loxon brand is typically thought of and only used on masonry substrates. With the advancements in dirt shedding and mildew-resistant technologies, Loxon self-cleaning opens the opportunity to provide these same benefits on multiple substrates. Loxon self-cleaning is ideal for multiple market segments such as residential repaint, new res, commercial, any high traffic areas, hospitality, and healthcare. Give your customers the benefit of a clean and fresh building by using Loxon self-cleaning.